Welcome to It's Rafiq. During this lockdown time, all the schools are closed, and most of schools are continuing their academic year through online. And even some schools are conducting exams. Some schools choose WhatsApp for the submission of answer script, and some school choose Google Form to conduct the exam. So while you are submitting Google Form, sometimes it happens that the teacher doesn't receive it. So how you can solve it? For that, first of all, you must press the submit button. After pressing the submit button, you will see some message that your form has been submitted or your exam answer sheet has been submitted. If you see this message, that means your form has been submitted. Still, sometime for some technical reason, your form may not submit to the teacher. So for that, you can do one thing. First, fill up your form, and before submitting it, one time cross check it. After writing all the answers, if you are fill upping the form from computer, then press Ctrl and P, means print. After pressing Ctrl and P, you will see this window. If you are using Windows 10 computer, then here you will get option as Microsoft Print to PDF, Save as PDF, Save as Google Drive, etc. So you can choose Save as PDF. And pages, select all, layout select as portrait, then click on Save button. Then here you give the name of your file, whatever name you want to give. Suppose answer sheet. .pdf. So save the file. After, if your teacher say that your file or your answers has been not submitted to him or her, then you can show your PDF file as an proof. Even you can do screenshot for this purpose, but if you are going to take screenshot of one worksheet, it will take several pages and it's quite difficult. So you can take a PDF copy. How it will look, I'll show you now. And if your form has this option that send me a copy of my response, always turn it on. If you turn it on after submitting the answers, you will get a copy of your answers in your email ID. Now let's see how my PDF file look like. It's having desktop answer sheet. So open. So it will look some similar like this way. And even you can see here the date on which day you have submitted the form. Today is 27 July 2020. So at top you will get the date also. So even it will have proved that when you have saved the when you have submitted the form. So here as you can see, all the answers are here. This way you can save a PDF copy of your form from your computer. Even you can do this in your mobile also. Now let's see how to do it from mobile. While you are submitting the form from mobile, keep in mind that in which field you will get the red asterisk or red star mark. That field are compulsory. You have to enter some information in that field. If you have an email field, always enter the correct email. And if you have the MCQ questions, even if you don't know, choose any options from there if the field is required one. And if you have a written field, written answer field, and you don't know the answers, then you can type ... then it will count as a value in the field, so you will not get any error messages. After entering the complete form, you can go to three dots in your Google Chrome, then select share, select print, select the paper size as A4, touch on PDF, here touch on three dash sign or option sign and select the location where you want to save. As I have selected as SD card, so my file will saved on the SD card. Now if you want to change the name, you can change it, then touch on save. So your file is saved as PDF file in your mobile. Now as I have completed the form, I can submit it. So click on submit. Sometime it may show you this one, so select the crosswalk, verify. So after submitting your form, you will see this option that your answer has been submitted or your form has been submitted. That means you have submitted your form, and even you have a proof with you that you have filled up the form. Now how you will get the form? You will get the form in file manager. Go to their documents option, and there you will get your files. As my file name was computer science, so this one the PDF copy of my answers. So if your teachers say that you have not submitted the form or you have not given the exam, you can provide your teacher with the PDF copy. In this PDF copy, even you will have the dates and time. So this way you can create a PDF copy of your form. Thank you for watching. See you in next video with some new tips. Have a nice day.